Tyler here with the Jackson Boys Outdoors YouTube channel. In today's video, we're heading back to our off-grid cabin and opening up camp again. We're taking in some breathtaking Newfoundland views. We're helping out a good friend and we're having ATV rides. Life doesn't get much better than this. I'm taking you guys along for this adventure. I hope you enjoy this video. So in today's video, we're in the Marystown area. And we had to go check in on our cabin, help out a friend, have some bike rides. Should be a good time. Really looking forward to it. After all that little fiasco, we are back at our off-grid cabin here on the Burin Peninsula. Myself and Carter come in today. We're going to try to bring out a little cartload of wood for my buddy. He asked if I had any wood kicking around. I got some bigger stuff there he could have for a stove in his cabin. So we come in, went to take a nice video of me arriving at the cabin on bike, buried the bike in this soft snow. I tell you, the trails aren't the best, but they're okay. What do you think? That was quite the little episode.
Yeah.
Thank God for the Kevlar winch, is important. First step first for us, I had to go in and check up on the cabin, make sure everything's the way I left it. She looks good, she's standing still. That's the main thing, she's still upright. What do you think, buddy?
Yeah.
I didn't bring my drone in, I thought it was windy. She's not that bad in here, is it?
No.
Oh, never mind the gust. My luck. Let's head into the camp. Woohoo! She looks the same anyway.
too.
It's good to be back. Cabin looks perfect. She held up. She held her own perfect. Like I said, there's no snow, no leaks. The curtains are still here. Everything's good. And it's just really good to be here. Man, that trail was awful. The snow was soft, and here in the Burin Peninsula, the big snowstorm hitting us again. Go figure. I'm shocked. Nothing like good spring snowstorm. I got home from work. I said, I'll be done with the snow. It's not happening. Do you have anything to add?
Not really.
No? Cut. Buddy? See now. I bought this new tripod to try out at Walmart there the other day. There's a vlogger style tripod. It got a little light stuff on it. It's pretty nifty. We'll see how long it lasts with the Jackson boys. Huh?
Yep.
It's our first outdoor video since I've been home. The weather hasn't been nicest. And we've been busy. I've been just adjusting coming home. I had a long 7 weeks on the boat. The weather was cold, freezing. Quebec is freezing. Just going to take a minute now. I'm writing a little log book and then throw a couple logs in the cart for our old buddy Bailey, I suppose. He's working himself, yes. He goes, you got some wood there, I got some bigger stuff I can't split. Maybe he'll be able to split it. Probably not. Is it good to be back at the cabin?
Yep.
Sure is, isn't it? I just got you picking your ear with a cotton glove on. It is time to get some wood loaded up and boogie on out again. Of course, there's another snowstorm hitting the night. Thanks, buddy. So I like to get all this done, taken care of for our old buddy. He helps us out with stuff, so it's only right that we help him out, even if he is a nuisance. Hey, Carter. Get in this old wood shed now. Woohoo! Man, the snow, there's lots of snowing. Amazing. Old woodshed here on our way out, I think. But until we get the sensible weather to knock it down safely, I think it's just as well to leave it for now. But it's getting pretty sketchy. I think seeing it was precisionally built really carefully, built really well. But time just took care of it, I think. What do you think?
Yep.
Whew. Let me throw the one over. Stop that. I'm only going to bring out a couple fish playing loads, I think. Just enough of the bigger stuff. I have some smaller stuff at the house we give him.
Yeah.
But I can't wear down too much because the trail is awful. I come up in two-wheel drive. We come up here the first time, I forgot my phone. Had to boogie back to the house. Come back in. I kept her in two-wheel drive to kind of tear up the trail a little bit and bury her. Hopefully it's not too bad. I think another cartload out again should be just fine. We'll see how it goes. Load her up again, buddy. Yeah. Why wouldn't you want to live in Newfoundland? How free this is. How beautiful. I got my son here. That's the sun. Got the OffGrid Cabin. We got the beautiful Canadian wilderness, beautiful Newfoundland wilderness. We're here on ATV, bringing wood out. Life don't get much better than this, just being outdoors, I gotta say. What do you think?
Hi.
I think school is more fun.
Totally.
Yeah, let's get another load, old buddy. Look at some of this wood, like this wood come with the cabin, of course. But some of this wood is really old and is really super dry. It's like ancient artifacts. You don't know when this was cut, look. It's dry. Shouldn't have put that on my face. But... Get another. When was this cut? Look at
Ice cream.
Bailey, if you see this, we must really like you because this is a lot of messing around. But you are a good buddy. I'm glad to help you out. I do this for a couple of close friends. That's all you need?
Yep.
A bigger load, old buddy. I think that's all for us. There's a garbage bag right behind the door. They gotta come out and go in the garbage bin. I guess that's it. Checking up on the cabin. Bringing in a small load of wood. Gonna bring in some garbage that we had in here now and head out. I don't know if I'm gonna add more to this video tomorrow with a little bit of a snow day or not. But it was definitely fun to get back into the camp.
Yeah.
Hopefully now we don't have any problems on the way out. We are back again. Fortunately, we made that all falling, no problems. Thank God for the 800 Can Am. I think if I was on a smaller bike, I would have had a bit of problem. So yesterday wasn't too nice. I decided today I wanted to come in, take a look around, to see the trail. We're gonna have a busy Easter weekend. We're gonna head to Trinity Bay. So I figured I'd come out here and film the rest of this video, take a little run in on bike. And it's all good. I flew my drone today, it's beautiful. It was a good day to fly my drone. Make sure a tree doesn't take my camera. But the conditions in Newfoundland are still not the best. I've been home about a week, almost 2. I'm not happy with the weather. Snow and rain and muck. It's gross. I'm ready for spring weather now. But it's just nice to be in the outdoors on our ATV. I love it. In all seriousness though, I know Newfoundland has its bad weather and the good weather, but days like today, the sun is out, the snow is shining, you can't get much better than this. I'm glad I got the drone up so I capture some beautiful Newfoundland scenery. It's not all bad, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad, you roll with the punches. That's my opinion. I'm sticking by it. But today, I take this any day of the week. I just wanted to say sorry to anyone that don't think this video is not very much. We just opened up camp, we helped out a friend, and we had some fun on our ATV. To me it means something, that's all that matters. I love these for memories. I love these to look back on and remember the times of me in the outdoors, and especially with my boys. That'll be all for us. Thanks for watching.